Well, good day everyone and welcome back. After a few storms rolled through here yesterday, it's a beautiful morning down here. I am at Pambula River. And when I was here last time, I talked about how you could get locked in by the tide. The high tide was probably about an hour ago, and as you can see, it's tough to get through here. I'm going to have to do some walking. But I'm meeting Shelby down here this morning. And he's got a spot he likes to fish up further into the river. It's a bit breezy, but we're gonna give it a go. If I can get back there. And anyway, hopefully we catch some fish this morning for you. Bring you a little entertainment. Stay tuned. There we go, Shelby's on. Nice little flathead. If he had his camera, he could record that and put it up on his YouTube channel. One of us got something, so that's good. Yeah, just a little guy. Well, it was just a bit too windy down in Pambula for us, so after a couple hours of fishing and not doing real well anyway, we decided to come back up into Eden and try the wharf. It's still windy here, but it's a little more sheltered here in the cove, so hopefully we'll get something here. There we go. First catch over here. Oh, it's a little salmon, or a little pinky, a little snapper. There we go. Just a little guy, but a fish. Woohoo! Shelby's onto something. Oh, here.
Hang on there.
Oh, there we go. There we go. Oh, look at someone took a chunk out of him. Something thought he was bait. There you go. Good catch. Yeah, Shelby's onto something good again. Come on. Is it trevally? Oh, it's a nice trevally though. Very nice. There you go. Nice catch. That's two good catches. There you go. Nice hit on the big rod. I got a feeling it's a flathead. It is. Oh no, it's not. It's a snapper. It's a snapper. Not a real big one. He hit that pretty good. And it's windy out here today though. Not my favorite time to fish. But that's alright. Another snapper. There we go. There we go. There we go. Oh, and of course it wouldn't be a day down here without catching a yak. First one of the day, I think. Flathead. I don't know. I think 4 or 5 different species today, but that's the first yak. So use him for bait and see if we can get onto something big. We've had a couple really big hits, both of us. We haven't hooked into them, but wind's making it pretty difficult too. I've got about another hour to fish, so see what happens. Well, it's just about time for us to go. I thought I'd come over here and grab a few mussels. Can use later on for bait. Or if Lee's so inclined, we'll have something for dinner. Alright. Yeah. Wasn't too bad of a day. The wind was dreadful, but we caught a few fish. Lost a few fish. And unfortunately it was the only day that we could both get out together. He's in school, and that makes a big difference. But it was nice to get out with Shelby again today. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And until next time, keep fishing.